Come on, buddy, let me tell you something nobody told you before. Do you know the difference between dropshipping lifestyle and bullshitting lifestyle? You know what the difference is? This is the dropshipping lifestyle, okay? This one is the dropshipping lifestyle. I will tell you how you can do the same. Now, what's the bullshitting lifestyle? Bullshitting lifestyle is when you click on those YouTube gurus who teach you kind of like dropshipping, but they don't do any dropshipping because they are YouTubers, and you have been deceived by them, and you try and try and try and nothing works out, and you're sitting by your computer 24/7 because you can't get away from your computer. But what I'm doing is dropshipping lifestyle. I'm creating my dropshipping account on eBay and let that eBay account works for me. That's called dropshipping lifestyle. Okay, you want the dropshipping lifestyle? Test my tactics. The link is below this video, and see you inside. Talk to me, baby, talk to me, okay? I teach you how to live dropshipping lifestyle. It's so easy.